Hi guys, this is Captain Holly and today we are doing a video of all the different owls that are in this sanctuary. So they're like really cute. There's a couple of them around here. He's really grouchy, as you can see. Beware, sometimes I can be grumpy. Please don't stand too close. Thank you. Yeah, and that one's cute. It's Bert and Bessie, I think.
Yeah, Holly.
Oh, it's Betsy.
Guess
It's
how much
Betsy,
it
I think.
is to hold an owl
How much?
for a minute. Guess.
Oh my god, look how cute
Guess
they
how
are.
much it
See a
is.
little heart.
Guess how much it is.
It's No and Swift, I think.
Yeah,
Yes.
guess how much
Huh?
it is to hold an owl for
£3. And this is Amber. Oh, it's Amber. She's so cute. Oh. Amber. There's Amber. And a story and everything. Maybe she has Snapchat. Oh my god, this is Breezy. Oh my god, he's so cute. It's Breezy. It's spelled B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breezy. And we've got Stevie. Is it? Yeah, it's Stevie, I think. Quite big. And up there, S-T-E-V-E. Stevie. He's really big. We'll go round and we'll go see the ones that we haven't seen so far. So we're seeing all these ones, and we're seeing, oh yeah, it's Indian Echo, these ones, and then there's a polite notice, if you can read that. You probably have to stop the video. And then there's those guys. And then we've got Bonnie, I think. Yes, Bonnie. And Bonnie's there. Very, very handsome. And this one is Sky and Storm. And I think it's because it's breeding season they're doing this, but you can sort of see him.
Come on, can't you just not mirror at me? It only works with Joey.
Oh my god, you're so cute. It's probably because of his dangly thing. And this is Jet. There's Jet. And where is Jet? There is Jet. Jet is quite big. Really big, actually. And so the last ones we've got is Fluke. You can't exactly see Fluke, but he's in his little cage over there. Ah, there you go, you can see him there. Boobo and Blink. There's these two. Them two there. And then there's a little stories and everything. Hopefully you can actually read this. And then the next one is awesome. What? No, it's Cloud. So cute. They have all adoption papers over here, I think. There's the bush in your hand stuff. And then through here you've got like all their little bones and stuff. And there's like little adoption papers that you can use, I think. As Fritten Lake's Owl Sanctuary. So if you guys want to adopt an owl, there's these that you can use. So yeah. And then there's the little Owl Sanctuary box, the donation box for Fritten Lake. So we can keep going around. See if we can find the other ones. There's this. Right, let's go see if we can find any chickens or anything. Ooh, let's go. Oh, by the way, you can check on my Instagram and you can find pictures of the birds and all the other creatures if you don't see them in the video that well. Okay, so here we go. There are And unfortunately they're not for sale, but there's little quails, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh yeah, and there's some ducks over here. They are very noisy. That's one thing I can tell you about ducks. They are very, very noisy. There's the ducks. There's one just behind me there. There's little rocks and I don't think there's any babies anymore.